Hi everyone, I'm Dikshita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to recreate this gorgeous look by Mouni and mind you, I'm just recreating this look and not transforming into her. And I'm going to use only Renee Cosmetics to recreate this gorgeous look. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I'm going to prime my skin using this Renee Face Base Illuminating Primer. Literally gives your skin a very dewy finish. It gives you a very smooth and healthy looking skin. Just look how gorgeous it looks on my skin. I can see that this primer is really very smooth to use and it's very hydrating at the same time, and it has moisturized my face really nicely. So for the foundation, I'm going to use this Renee Face Base Liquid Foundation in the shade Chai Tea. And this comes with a pump which is so handy to use. So this is an oil-free full coverage foundation with matte finish. I'm going to take a few pumps on the back of my hand. This is exactly my shade. I'm just taking a damp beauty blender to blend this foundation. I'm just going to blend this foundation from the center to the ends of my face. Look at this beautiful finish. Oh my god, this is very smooth. As it is a full coverage foundation, you will really need to blend it out really quickly, else it will dry out because it is matte formulation. So I'm really loving the finish of this foundation. It feels like I have applied nothing on my face. It's that lightweight. To conceal my face, I'm going to use this Renee Face Base Concealer in the shade Maple, and it's full coverage and consists of weightless formula, and it's matte plus oil free. So let's just use it. So it is designed to conceal all your imperfections and blemishes. So I'm going to apply it on my dark areas like my dark circles here and here, and again here and a little here. I'm also going to use this concealer as an highlighter and apply on the bridge of my nose like this, on my chin area and my forehead. Let's just take some more. Love how it's blending beautifully, and I think the foundation and the concealer are blending along really well. I think I really love its finish, like it's absolutely non-creasing and blends so beautifully. Moving forward, we are going to use this Renee Lip and Cheek Tint. It's in the shade Red Romance, and I absolutely love Renee's Lip and Cheek Tint. I use this on a daily basis. I'm going to apply it on the apples of my cheeks like this because Mouni has blush which is over her cheekbone, right like this. And I'm going to blend this with this foundation brush by Renee. Look how beautiful it's looking. It gives you such a natural hint of tint. To set my face, I'm going to use this Renee Face Base Translucent Loose Powder. It has a very silky, soft, velvety finish. So to use it, firstly just dissolve any creases with your beauty blender or your foundation brush. After that, go in with your powder brush and take some translucent powder, tap the excess off and just set your under eyes. So it has a very lightweight formula, and I can see that there is no white cast whatsoever, which is a very plus point. I can say that this is one of the best translucent powders out there. Lastly, to set my base, I'm going to use this Renee Face Base Compact Powder in the shade Almond Beige. This compact comes with a sponge applicator which makes it easy to use and carry. Also, it consists of hyaluronic acid, which is a great ingredient to reduce those fine lines and wrinkles. So I'm just going to dip into it and apply it all over my face where I have not applied the translucent powder, as it will set my face base. So for the eyes, if you have noticed, she has brown smoky eyes with a hint of glitter or shimmer in the middle of her eyelid. So we are going to follow the same thing. For this eye look, I'm going to use this Renee Golden Hour eyeshadow palette. For the crease color, I'm going to use this shade Tan right here. And I'm just going to apply this color right in my crease, like this. I'm going to make a C in my outer V. Now I'm going to take this shade Warm Beige. I'm going to blend this color with this and make sure that there are no harsh lines whatsoever. I'm going to use this shade Pearl Gold. I'm going to place this shimmer on my crease. Now I'm going to blend the brown color with this metallic shade so that there are no harsh lines. Again, we are going to pick this shade Tan, and now we are going to apply it in our lower lash line. I'm going to take this Renee Holistic Kajal pen in the shade Hard Black. I'm going to apply it and smudge it into my lower lash line. I'm going to take the shade Warm Beige again from this eyeshadow palette, and I'm going to smudge this kajal. Now I'm going to take this Renee Holistic Pointy and Sketchy Eyeliner. It has a really very sharp tip. As Mouni's eyes are already very tilted, she has a very beautiful winged eyeliner, and we are going to do the same. So you have to take the liner and then put the liner on the end of your nose and the end of your eye and just mark it. That's your wing, and that's how angle it's going to be. And then fill it in. So use a concealer to clean your eyeliner and it would look something like this. For the lashes, I'm going to use this Renee Kristen Perfection lashes. Ta-da! Easiest way to apply lashes. Now for my lips, I'm going to take this Renee Lip and Cheek Tint and apply it. So now I'm going to finish off this look by using this Renee Check Matte Liquid Lipstick in the shade House of Coral. I love how this look turned out to be. It's looking so elegant, so pretty at the same time, and I think we are looking gorgeous like her as well. I hope you learned a lot from this video, and I absolutely loved Renee Cosmetics. The Renee face-based products are worth a try, and I absolutely think that they are bringing in some new revolution with their products because their products are so good yet so affordable. So that was it for this video guys, and I hope you guys love this video. So don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel and comment down what you would like to see next. I'll meet in my next video guys. Bye.